This is the most fantastic story I've ever heard.
It's tough to find something when you don't know what you're looking for.
That proves it.
What? Where? Why, what? Come on, man, out with it. We haven't got all day to waste. Just...
There's something out there.
Hit the button, baby. Stay cool. This is a Thor News presentation. Thor News presents Party Dance Time.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is time for a Planet X, Planet 9, Herculubus, Nemesis, Tai Chi, Wormwood, Tiamat, Freak Out. That is correct. We're over at the New Scientist, talking about breaking news that there is a mystery object in a weird orbit beyond Neptune that cannot be explained. Asterisk? I bet if you mentioned it to Phil Plate, he could explain it. All right. Let us start reading this information because these stories have been fast and furious coming out so frequently, it's hard to keep up. This is by Shannon Hall. I hope everyone has buckled their seatbelts because the solar system just got a lot weirder. Hey, that's cool, because weird doesn't mean bad, nor does it mean doomy. That's what Michele Bannister, an astronomer at Queen's University Belfast, tweeted on Monday. And remember, please don't stereotype. Just because she's from Queen's University doesn't mean she's a reptile. Alright, and just because they're reptiles doesn't mean they're bad. Alright, she was referring to the discovery of a TNO, or Trans-Sexual Neptunian Object, which is something that sits beyond Neptune in the outer solar system. And, for example, like be a rocky planet but dresses up as a gas giant. Okay, I don't know if that's official science, but it does kind of feel like Bill Nye science. Man, he would look so pretty in a dress. Gross. This one is 160,000 times fainter than Neptune. That is what she said. Which means the icy world could be less than 200 kilometres in diameter. It's currently above the plane of the solar system, and with every passing day, it's moving upwards. What? Upward. A fact that makes it an oddity. The TNO orbits a plane that's tilted 110 degrees to the plane of the solar system. What's more, it swings around the sun backwards, unlike most other objects in the solar system. With this in mind, the team that discovered the TNO nicknamed it Niku, after the Chinese adjective for rebellious. Well, what is its official name, dickweeds? You know, I would like to know how to Google images this thing. You guys are not helping my video making. You are making it harder. To grasp how truly rebellious it is, remember that a flat plane is the signature of a planetary system. Really? So it signs its checks with a flat plane? That seems weird. As a star-forming gas cloud creates a flat disk of dust and gas around it, asterisk, LOL, what? Bullshit theory. Angular movement forces everything to have one spin direction all the same way. What about Venus, dickweed? It's the same thing with a spinning top. Every particle is spinning the same direction. What about Venus? Man, your theory don't make no damn sense. That means anything that doesn't orbit within the plane of the solar system or spins in the opposite direction must have been knocked off course by something else. Or maybe your theory is knocked off course, and you just explain it that way to make your theory fit the solar system. It suggests that there's more going on in the outer solar system than we're fully aware of. Oh, you think? Man, you must be an astrophysicist, says Matthew Holman at the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics. Part of the team that discovered Niku using the Panoramic Survey Telescope and Rapid Response System 1 survey, PanSTARRS, on Haleakala, Maui. It's the unknown that excites astronomers. Whenever you have some feature that you can't explain in the outer solar system, it's immensely exciting because it's in some sense foreshadowing a new development, says Konstantin Bedigan at the California Institute of Technology, Planet 9. And he should know, Bedigan was one of the 2 astronomers who earlier this year announced that the presence of another highly inclined orbit of objects could be pointing towards a large, undiscovered world. Don't you mean 4 astronomers? Why do you guys always forget Scott Shepard and Chad Trujillo? Man, it's like you journalists are so lazy. And it's your subject of speciality. You know, man. Perhaps 10 times as massive as Earth, lurking even further away. The so-called Planet 9. Or Fatty. Or Bitch Please. No, seriously, that's its unofficial nickname. Upon further analysis, the new TNO appears to be part of another group orbiting a highly inclined plane. Or another solar system merging with ours in a great dance. Keep your hands off the asses and the titties. Is the Milky Way a high school? So Holman's team tested to see if their objects could also be attributed to the gravitational pull of Planet 9. And then what happened? It turns out Niku is too close to the solar system to be within the suggested world's sphere of influence. So there must be another explanation. Maybe ice crystals, maybe dark matter. Maybe ice crystals, maybe dark matter. Maybe Obama did it. Thanks, Obama. The team also tried to see if an undiscovered dwarf planet, perhaps similar to Pluto, could supply an explanation. It's weird because when you put it that way, it makes me think, wow, NASA must have an entire warehouse filled with explanation supplies. But they didn't have any luck, so we don't know the answer, says Holman. Well, I don't know it either, except for merging solar systems. Ding, 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 ding. I solved it, y'all. We have solar systems merging. Oh, that's so sexy. Bannister couldn't be more thrilled. It's wonderful that it's so confusing, she said. Oh, wow. It's wonderful that it's so confusing. Never a straight answer, only a confusing explanation. Where have I heard that before? I'm looking forward to seeing what the theoretical analysts do once they get their hands on this one. That's what she said. But Bettigan isn't jumping up and down just yet. Are you saying he's lazy? As they say in the paper, what they have right now is a hint. Oh. He says, if the hint develops into a complete story, that would be fantastic. The foundation of the universe is a 3-act structure. Bitches. All right, we're done with that article. Let's take a look at the Arvix. Holy crap. This is a white paper. I can't read these. I'll have to go get Sage. I have no idea how to read white papers. None whatsoever. Sage, where are you?
You want me to say something funny?
Okay, to be continued. With Sage and the white paper. Yay. Peace out. All right. Yay. Awesome. See you soon.